Do you want to use Tidio AI to supercharge your customer conversations? In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can access and start using Tidio AI on your PC without any complicated downloads. First, open your favorite browser. It could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. Tidio runs directly in your browser, so you don't need to install any heavy software. Now in the address bar, type www.tidio.com and press enter. This is the official Tidio website, where you can start using the platform right away. On the home page, simply click the blue Get Started Free button. You'll be redirected to the Tidio dashboard after a quick sign up. No software installation required. And if you prefer using Tidio on the go, you can also download the Tidio mobile app for iOS or Android devices right from your app stores. And that's it. You're now ready to start using Tidio AI on a PC. No download hassles, just powerful live chat and chatbot features at your fingertips. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.